Paramount Hotel. The Freedom Riders are going home, and I'm interviewing them to find out how did you enjoy the 50th anniversary. Let us know. What's your name?
Wyatt T. Walker.
Okay. How did you enjoy the 50th anniversary?
Marvelously.
Marvelous. So what? Going back to Parchment.
Going back to Virginia.
What time you
Going back to Virginia.
You going back to Virginia? How did you? What was it like going back to Parchment?
Yes, sir.
Going to Parchment.
I didn't go there.
You didn't go there.
Yes, sir.
So, but the whole trip and the experience of everything, it was just marvelous.
People here are marvelous.
Let me see where it is.
Hospitality.
Yes.
So,
What kind of truck you got?
well, I thank you. I'm just there's no words. It was marvelous as well. I enjoyed it myself, but I look forward to seeing you again. Hopefully we can have something else.
I hope so.
I hope so too. It was just unexplainable.
Mississippi is really changing.
Yes, it has. I mean, I have grew up here and everything, but you know, coming back to see how Mississippi is after all these years, you know, just growing up here in the 60s.
Where you live now?
I live in Atlanta, Georgia. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and you know,
My granddaughter's there.
Sir?
My granddaughter lives in Atlanta.
She does? Wow, wow. I've been there like 15 years. So I'm enjoying it, but just coming back to Jackson, just to see the downtown area and everything, it's just wonderful. It's just wonderful. So I thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, you have a blessed one.